stop by later, maybe you're gonna fix something tea. You wanna grab something from the street, bring it home. But, yeah,
Now this drink is going to be called So Long Johnson. It's definitely has a very phallic name. This is the last drink I made before I left Neo, a restaurant I used to work at San Antonio. So what we're going to do is, so somebody was making a reference to Drew Brees here earlier. So it's take on a Sazerac, which is a New Orleans cocktail. Instead of absinthe, we're going to use Laphroaig. A really peaty scotch. And we're just going to put a little bit on the glass. Just going to lace the glass of that. I like to chill the glass with it too at the same time. Quicker that way. So Sazerac, almost like an old fashioned. Get a sugar cube. We're going to put 6 dashes of Peychaud bitters. Couple of dashes of Angostura. And put a little allspice in there. Some rye whiskey. 2 ounces. All right, so now we're just gonna stir this up. Dump the glass out of our serving glass here. And it is served up in a chilled glass, laced with Laphroaig. Hit with the orange peel. Call it a day.